Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make semicircle charms or Christmas tree ornaments or car oil diffuser, anything you want to use it for later on. And for that I'm going to need a wooden stick, a couple of pins and our string. I'm using a 5mm recycled cotton string. I cut it into pieces of 90 centimeters, one in white color, 90 centimeters. I have a couple of pieces that I took from my scrap box. I just need a little tiny one, so you will see why. And I will be using also a metallic single twist string, 3mm, and the length of it is 60 centimeters. I will have all the measurements written down in the description below this video. Let's get started. So we take the first 90 centimeters piece, fold it in half, and attach it to our wooden stick with the lark's head knot. So we go over, curl it over our wooden stick, form a loop, and pull through the two ends. One, and we attach the same way the second one. We fold it in half, go over, curl it around, and pull the two ends through the loop. Okay. At this point I will just secure a little bit my piece of wood. And let's get started. So the very left one, the very left cord, we're gonna leave it out for now, and we start working from the second. We will be tying double half hitch knots. So you point it into the direction your pattern should go. It will go this way. So for now we just tie double half hitch knots around it. Take the first cord, which is actually our third, curl it around through the loop from behind, pull it through and tighten it. We repeat it. Curl it around, take it behind and through the loop and tighten it. Do the same with the second one. Curl it around, come from behind, pull it through the loop, tighten it. Curl it around, come from behind through the loop, tighten it. And now we will be touching this end to our wooden stick with the lark's head knot. So we go, for that I will lift my piece over, curl around and come from behind through the loop. Pull it tight where you want it to be. Then you go behind your wooden stick through the loop. Pull it tight and you're done. So we completed our first row. We attach our next cord with the lark's head knot to the right. Form a loop, pull it through, leave the first one out, start from the second. We will be tying double half hitch knots in the opposite direction. So we take the cord from underneath, curl it around through the loop and pull it tight. Then we repeat it, curl it around through the loop and pull it tight. Do the same with the next one, curl it around, behind through the loop, pull it tight, around, behind through the loop, pull it tight. Once we completed our row, we will attach our string to our wooden stick with the lark's head knot. So we take it around, pull it behind and then pull it through the loop. Take it behind, curl around, bring to the front, through the loop. Pull it tight. Okay, next I'm going to attach our metallic string. We attach it to the right hand side with the lark's head knot. We'll leave the first one out and we start working. Once you approach the middle, you will see that you will be forming a gap. So I will tell you how we're going to close it. So I have a piece from my scrap box here, a little, really tiny one. So we're going to attach to our string with the reverse lark's head knot. So we're coming from behind, from underneath, curl it around, form a loop, tighten it, push it closer to the previous one, and you're done. Keep going with the double half hitch knots. To arrive to the end, we will attach it with the lark's head knot. And lastly, I'm using my white piece. We will attach it on the left. I'm going to leave a shorter end on this side because we're not going to use it. Leave out about 20 centimeters from the top, curl around it. And start your lark's head knot, your double half hitch knots. Just twist it a little bit. It's a bit tricky, this metallic one. Keeps on twisting. Now you see that you're forming a gap, so I would go in with another piece, just a tiny one, because we're almost at the end of our project. Attach it to your string with the reverse lark's head knot, so you come from underneath, curl it around, pull it tight. You filled the gap, and now we just keep going. So we're at the end. I'm going to lift my project. We tie the last lark's head knot. Go from the front, curl around, and bring it to the front through the loop. Put it where you want it to be. Then you go behind your wooden stick, curl around through the loop, and you take it behind, and we're done. Now we just need to trim it. brush it and trim it. Taking my fancy scissors, cut it a bit longer at first, can always trim it later.